Hello and welcome to the Johnny Gets Cash YouTube channel. Today's video was supposed to be an update of the costs and the sale price achieved for this, the 2008 Jaguar X-Type Sovereign I bought sight unseen at auction. Now I say it was supposed to be about that. I did sell the X-Type and it went off to its new home, but as you can see, it's still sat here and it's in quite a state. Well, unfortunately it's all gone wrong and I've had to give the new owner a full refund and take the car back. So if you want to find out more about that, stay tuned. So yes, the Jaguar is back in the yard and I've given the new owner a full refund. Now you're going to be asking yourself, why has that happened on a car that seemed to be so well sorted? And it's a car that I drove myself, probably for 500 miles before I sold it. I was completely confident in this car. I use this a lot more than I use a lot of the cars I sell, mainly because it's such a useful thing. So when the new owner phoned me a few days after buying it saying they had an engine light on the dash, I was very, very surprised. Nonetheless, it was my duty as a dealer to look after them and either try and get the car fixed to be at a state that it should be in or give them a full refund. Now, I will go into detail on this and I'll also go into the detail on the fault that I think I found on the car. However, something I've noticed when making these videos for you guys, I've got a pretty even split of viewers on my channel. I've got those of you who like to watch overview content, you like to see a full process in one video, so things like the highlights where it went from a real junky old truck into a really, really nice showpiece all in one video. And on those sort of videos, I can't give too much detail about the sort of work I'm doing. I can't really nail down on the nitty gritty, if you like. So the other half of you who do like that sort of stuff, who do want to know all the details, you're kind of left short sometimes. So what I've decided to do is start a second channel, and that channel is called Johnny Gets Cash 2, nice and simple. So what I'm going to do is direct you over to my second channel, Johnny Gets Cash 2, and I will give you a full breakdown of the scenario with this Jaguar here and what's happened. I'll also explain the fix that I've done and I will show you the fault that I found on the car. I'll also give you a full breakdown of the figures, because again, I know a lot of you watching this really care about the figures and you're interested in what things cost and how I make a profit on cars, whereas the other half of you really don't care about the money, you just want to see the before and afters, and that's fine. I'm trying to keep everyone happy here, so if you're the sort of person that really likes the nitty gritty and you want to know all about the numbers, the facts and figures and all the bits and pieces that I find on cars, go and subscribe to my second channel. Again, that's Johnny Gets Cash 2. Now also on that channel, I'm going to be showing a lot more day-to-day stuff, things that I get up to that probably wouldn't be interesting enough to put into a main video for the main channel, but things that I get up to in the workshop, the cars that I buy, potentially some spoilers of upcoming cars and projects coming to the channel. I'm going to try and show a lot more of the shorter content I can knock out quickly and keep you guys in the loop, basically. So for now and for this video, I really just want to update you that yes, the car did sell. Unfortunately, it was a short-lived triumph because I've had to take it back and give a full refund. Not the end of the world though. The car as it sits right now, although it's absolutely filthy, because let's be honest, who's going to return a car in a clean condition? Although it's absolutely filthy now, the car mechanically is sorted. I've used it today for a very long journey actually, and it hasn't put a foot wrong. So I'll go into more details on all of that on the second channel, so hopefully you're interested enough to go and check it out and see what all the fuss is about, and if you do, I'll see you over there on the second channel. That's Johnny Gets Cash 2. Catch you later. Cheers.